next questions na tayo. Oh my God, lasing na yata ako. Napapalpitate na ako, dude. Lakas ng tequila. Nakainom na ako. Wait lang. Tutubig muna ako. Baka ano masabi ko, ha? Masensored pa ako. Masuspend ng Facebook. Tubig.
Ang bilis niya kasi uminom.
Ang taas nga ng tagay mo, te.
Uy, di na ako yung nagtatagay, you know.
Hindi, kinakalahati ko lang. Okay,
Ito
ang
yung
question
question
ko.
lang, no?
Oh my
Dito
God.
natin ilagay yung tapos na.
Question mo.
English?
Ah,
Kaya ko ba to?
ilang
Marami. So, ang sabi, what are the challenges you face when you migrated here in Kennedy?
Oh my God, this is interesting.
Oh, siya. Siya sasagot.
This is interesting, pero ikaw muna, Manang.
Bakit ako?
Kaya mo yan.
Challenges? Well, siguro first and foremost, yung lamig. Kasi alam mo naman, di ba? Galing tayo sa tropical country, Philippines. So, syempre, culture shock ang lamig, di ba? As in talagang major, ano yan, challenge. May taga-hawak.
Pwede mag-share
Sorry
ng
naman,
experience.
akala ko kasi interview ng CTV News.
Baka meron kang experience dyan na gusto mong, yung first time experience mo, Manang, sa snow. How is your first?
Ako parang,
Can you share
parang
scenarios na first time
hindi,
mo?
okay lang ako. Actually, ang pinaka medyo, medyo malaki yung,
adjustment?
hindi, yung medyo kung halimbawa, yung may memory talaga, si Antoinette.
Bakit? Anong
Sa
nangyari?
snow,
Kwento.
freezing rain.
Yeah, it's freezing rain.
Freezing rain noon, nung dumating kami. February noon winter pa. So, February, tapos nung April, nag-freezing rain. So, wala namang ganun sa atin, di ba? Ano nga bang
Oo.
freezing rain?
Freezing.
Black ice, freezing rain, yun yung parang ice skating rink yung buong kalye. So, madulas.
So, sobrang malamig siya. So, kasi nung time na yun, bago pa lang kasi kami, mga less than 6 months pa, wala pa kaming 4 months eh. No,
2 months.
2 months.
Yeah.
So, wala pa kaming kotse, nagko-commute. Tapos, pumasok siya sa work, tapos freezing rain. So, syempre, ang ginaw-ginaw. Pag uwi niya, naglupasay siya sa floor, tapos sabi niya, uwi na tayo. Tapos, iyak siya ng iyak. Iyak siya ng iyak. Sabi niya, ayoko na dito. Uwi na tayo. yun yung parang pinaka memory namin tungkol sa sa adjustment sa weather. No, yun lang naman. Otherwise, kasi kumbaga, alam naman kasi namin kung ano yung pinapasok namin. Siyempre, alam namin kung nasa pupunta kami North America, alam namin na malamig sa Canada. So, we were expecting yung cold and snow and everything. So, parang okay lang din naman. Malamig siya, pero okay lang din. O kayo, anong meron? Si Mary Lynn.
Naka-adjust na. Oh my God, yung first experience ko sa snow, first time ko sa Canada,
Lasing na.
naranasan ko 30 minutes ako nag-antay ng bus papuntang work. Kasi yung interval ng bus sa amin sa small town namin is 30 minutes yung interval ng bus. So, oh my God, 30 minutes ako nakaantay sa bus stop na yung temperature is negative 30.
Oh,
Tapos
MG, lamig yan.
Yeah, nakabalot ako ng 5 siguro.
5 layers ka.
5 layers, pero ramdam mo pa rin yung lamig because it's negative 30.
Oh, ang lamig
So,
yan.
para na akong iiyak.
Ano daw yung explain mo na yung pakiramdam ng negative 30? How bad it is
Parang-
negative 30?
Oh my God, nagmamanhid yung buong...
Para kang na-stroke?
yeah, para kang na-stroke. Nagmamanhid yung masakit sa balat.
Oo.
Hindi siya mainit, but
namamanhid.
it's very, how do you call that? It's tingling sensation, but it hurts.
Oo, masakit siya. Oo, masakit talaga siya.
Yung first experience mo sa snow, how is it?
I had a snow experience before.
Oh,
Actually,
yeah.
sa California, di naman ganun. Di naman
California is
ganun,
tropical
30.
country as well, right?
Oo.
Okay, so kampay na guys. Kampay.
Ay,
Next question.
kakakampay ko lang Oh, si Antoinette, sandali lang, di pa nga siya
Ay,
nagsabi.
sino?
Anong experience mo sa snow?
Ikaw na nga
Yung,
nagsabi.
yung umiyak ka. Sinabi mo
Kaya
yung
nga,
story ko.
sinare mo naman.
Ikaw na nag-story.
Umiyak ka. Bakit ka umiyak?
Ay, kasi nagko-commute pa lang. And then, di ba yung bus stop nung tinitira natin noon, it was like almost a kilometer bago ka
diba?
makarating sa bahay.
Diba? Ganun ang
ako
struggle dito,
nakarating
guys.
sa bahay noon, nadulas pa ako.
Oh yeah, because it's freezing.
It's freezing. So, kasi nga dahil para siyang ice skating rink. So, nadulas pa ako noon. Ang sakit ng puwet ko noon.
Feel yun, that
Yeah. Like,
Yeah.
tapos pagdating ko doon sa work, sabi nila, you were not legally required to go to work because the roads were horrible. Alam mo yun, nung narinig ko yan, parang, bakit ba ako pumasok?
Oh,
Kaya
yes.
nung pag-uwi ko, I was like, I can't do this. Ay!
Huwag mo kamutin yan.
May commercial pa.
Wala kang tambay din.
Okay, so, Manang, okay. So, kampay, drink, then next question ulit.
Ayan, lasing na.
yeah.
Lasing na.
Oh, yeah. Ito nga yun. Ganito nga yung kampay.
Kampay.
Yay.
Bye.
Ay, Diyos ko, yung anak ko, sinasabi sobra na raw uminom mo. Oh. Wow.
Kailangan pa pala natin ng lime.
What's wrong?
Parang sumasarap na yung tequila kapag ka ano.
Meron ka pa? Sorry.
Kanina, grabe.
Can you be nice to each other?
Chinacho, tulog na.
Next question.
Next question.
Ay, ako na pala.
Doc
Ako
na.
Ano mga pang Miss Universe yung ano ko? Yung mga tanong sa akin. Dapat sa akin napunta yung inflation.
Hindi naman yun napipili. Goals mo na after
Ako
na.
naman kasi, iisa lang naman yung goal natin.
True.
To go back to practice. By hook or by crook, you go back to practice. Kasi, mahirap
Maging mahirap sa Canada.
maging mahirap sa Canada. No, honestly, paycheck to paycheck, it's not gonna do you good. Both mentally, physically, and monetary wise. Ang hirap kasi if you're earning good money sa Canada, masarap tumira sa Canada.
Yes.
And I always remember yung sinabi ng boss ni Joy noon before.
When I was working at the pharmacy.
When she was working in the pharmacy. Kasi alam niya na, yun nga, we're both professionals. Unfortunately, licensed, di ba?
At saka pharmacist siya, di ba?
Pharmacist
He's from
siya.
Indonesia.
He's also an immigrant.
Yep.
So, he told us that you have to go back to practice because Canada is
Only good.
only good when you
have money.
When you have money. Without money, no. It's it's gonna be a struggle. That's why you can see a lot of people, di ba? No disrespect to other people. I respect everybody, irregardless kung anong ginagawa nyo. Pero, when you're doing or you're struggling even with 2 jobs, then you have to find a solution para maka-move on.
Mag-improve yung buhay mo.
What's next for PR? Upgrade. Yun lang yan.
Yeah, true. I agree. Kailangan talaga, pag nag-PR ka na mag-upgrade ka, huwag kang magkontento kung ano ka lang ngayon. Huwag kang makontento. No offense. Disclaimer po, wala po tayong tinatarget o wala po tayong pinatatamaan. Real talk lang.
True.
Huwag po tayong makontento sa minimum.
True.
Kasi minimum wage is not gonna get you nowhere.
Not at this time.
Yes, lalo inflation.
Yeah.
O, ikaw.
Yeah,
Kanya
ako, after PR, yeah, of course.
O, anong plano mo? Ayusin mo yung sagot mo.
Everybody naman gusto mag-upgrade, di ba?
daw siya.
Everybody gusto mag-upgrade, pero kung gagawin mo nga.
After getting the PR.
Caller ID kanina pa.
O, seryoso na to, baka umiyak.
Ayun, kasi I remember my struggles from day one and up to now, how hard it is without getting diploma here. It's hard to get a job.
good paying job.
Yeah, you can get a job, but it's
Not
like
a good paying one.
yeah, not a career to be settled or to be, na magstay ka talaga. So, at saka minimum wage lang pagka wala kang diploma dito. Kaya, yeah, but you have to deal with inflation. So, kailangan, di ba, mag-upgrade. Yun talaga yung plano ko. So, after PR,
how?
mag-upgrade,
Like what?
mag-aral,
So, ano daw yung program na kukunin mo?
sonography. Abangan
Well,
nyo yan, guys. Iba-vlog ko yan.
Mag-ultrasound daw siya. Well, actually, it's a good paying job. Professional siya. Kailangan mo ng license.
Even sa X-ray, yung mga nag-X-ray.
Radiographer. Oo, radiographer naman tawag sa kanila.
Ikaw na.
Wala,
So,
wala.
Oh, let's go na lang.
hindi,
Kampay.
actually, hopefully, gawin mo nga yan, ano, wag kang banjing-banjing. Alam mo na, you know.
O, di ba? Di ba, guys? May mga basher akong ano.
Wala siyang bashers online, may marami siyang bashers sa in person.
Because I mean, to be honest, like the good advice that we could give you, or I could give you personally, is because, like, I have a kid, I have a husband, I have a family to take care of, and then now I'm struggling to go to school, and then I'm working full time. It's really hard. So take advantage of the time na you're single, you don't have a lot of responsibility but yourself. So,
True.
Alam mo yun, like, wala ka pang maraming bills.
True, totoo yan.
And wala kang iisipin na ibang tao na you have to take care after work, after school. So, you have, it's gonna be hard, but you have to do it now. You will appreciate it later.
True, totoo yan.
True.
Oo. Kasi wala ka pang ganong responsibilities, ikaw pa lang.
So, sa mga kagaya namin dyan na nag-uumpisa pa, go and
Hindi, at
explore.
saka be realistic with your goals. Kasi, pwedeng mangarap ka eh. Pero kung wala kang effort, no. You're not gonna go anywhere.
True.
Puro mahirap yung puro pangarap. Drawing, yeah, exactly. Kasi, you have to exert extra effort. You have to sacrifice certain things bago mo ma-achieve yon. Kasi, laging sasabihin ng mga tao, oh, you could say that kasi ganyan ka na, ganito ka na, you're comfortable. Pero no, behind everything, there was the sacrifice that nobody knows. The struggles, everyday struggles, like mentally, physically, you have to study. Financially, yeah. Sleepless nights, yeah. Ay, bags ko nga, hindi na naka-recover eh. Naman, oh, Diyos ko. Pero, no, ano yan eh, at the end of the day kasi, you have to set a goal for yourself.
True.
Kasi, irregardless ko, kahit anong mangyari sa'yo, mag-asawa ka, mag-petition ka, ewan ko kung sino ipipetisyon mo, pero, pero,
Ko
pero
alam yan.
ang uunahin mo lagi is sarili mo. Because,
True.
kahit anong mangyari sa'yo, you're gonna be the only person who's gonna help yourself.
True. Big true talaga yan. Oh, grabe, pang Miss Universe yung sagot. Pang doctor talaga. Therapy.
So, yun nga, basta wag kayong makontento kung ano meron kayo ngayon. You really have to aim high. Mag-upgrade. Improve yourself. Wag makontento sa minimum.
Yeah, you're gonna fail. You're gonna fail. Yeah, kaya nga, di ba yung caption ko dun sa sa profile ko, fear kills more dreams than failure ever does. So,
Yeah.
kasi lagi kang takot eh. And then, at the same time, yung inggit. Like, if you see somebody who's
Pag
successful.
mainggit, pikit.
Pag nainggit, pikit. Pero, pero if you find somebody na who had a successful story,
Just be happy for them.
just be happy for them, huwag ka mainggit. Be the, parang ma-inspire ka to do better.
I like that, Doc.
I like that to.
Kasi,
I like what you said.
ang ano doon is, hindi mo
On
naman
point.
kasi nakita yung pinagdaanan ng tao, yung sacrifices niya, yung tears, sleepless nights, yung mga ganun. Hindi mo nakita yun. Ang nakita mo lang is yung success niya, yung after na, 'di ba? Hindi mo nakita yung before and on the process.
True.
So, madali lang sa'yo magsabi na, ay, buti pa siya, ganito na, ganyan na. Pero you weren't there during the journey. Nakita mo na lang yung finish line. So, madali lang sa'yo magsabi ng ganun.
True.
At saka isa pa, kung gusto mo mag-upgrade dito, yung tungkol sa mga loan, o si Christine yata yung pwede magkwento niyan.
Ano na yan? Ang sa loan.
O pag nag-upgrade, di ba? Gusto mo mag-college,
College.
mag-community college, kumuha ng diploma, mag-upgrade. So, di ba may mga student
Yeah, I
loan?
mean, like if see, that's the good thing about we talked about earlier, like sa permanent. Wala pala.
Residence.
Tanong pa yan pala yan mamaya.
Oh, well, you're gonna answer it
Yeah.
anyway. Yeah.
So pag PR ka na, you have a lot of opportunities, right? So. Yeah, you can if you want to go back to school. If you don't, because I mean, school here is a little bit more expensive.
True.
But government will help you. There's scholarship. There's loan. And it's so easy to apply. You just gotta send your application and all that.
True.
But you know what? And then if you actually have a good job, some jobs has a program. Well, they will cover your tuition.
Yeah.
My job right now does cover my tuition. I just have to apply. I'm just not doing it.
Wow.
Yeah. I'm just lazy about it, but I will do it next semester. But they will actually cover. My job will cover about 80% of my tuition.
Wow.
Yeah. So and then I think Peter's job will also give me some scholarship. We just gotta have to apply it.
So, wala ka ng student loan.
If I don't want to, then I don't have to.
Wala ka ng student loan pag ganun, right?
Yeah, and again, like if in the future you have kids, you can do the RESP for your kids. That's like the educational savings for your kid, and that will help a lot. So there's a lot of opportunities if you really want to do it. Hindi naman problema yung pera,
Yung
finances. You just gotta have the will to actually really want to do that.
True.
Yun yung pinakamahirap.
Yeah, which is understandable naman eh kasi nga you work full time, you're tired. It's normal. That's human nature. But you have to push yourself and just think, you know what, there's always matatapos din siya.
Matatapos yan, hindi siya forever. 2 years lang naman yan.
Yeah.
And yung panahon ngayon, mabilis na lang eh. O, pag dilat mo ng mata mo, 2 years na. Oh.
I know.
So,
Pasko na lang.
alam mo yun, tapos, and it's all worth it. Diba?
Yeah.
Nadaanan na din namin yun eh. Hindi na namin naging easy yung namin transition namin from the Philippines to Canada kasi nga hindi ka naman halimbawa sa amin kailangan namin yung recertification kasi we need license, diba? Professional license kasi regulated yung profession namin. So we had to to go through a lot of things, a lot of process. Ginawa din naman namin and the end story masaya, happy. Comfortable
Kasi
long life. It's all worth it.
Yes, guys, kasi they can beat the inflation now. because of their life now. They're stable na sila, guys.
Oh, well, real talk naman, hindi naman namin na-achieve yung kung ano meron kami ngayon kung hindi sa tulong ng aming mga relatives, sa
True.
part ng family ko, sa
True.
part ng family ni Antoinette.
True.
It's all a joint effort, teamwork.
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 Teamwork is Tim.
Ito yata man.
Which one is it?
Tapos na to ng, this is one.
Okay na?
Oh, next.
Next.
Oh, ayan, oh.
Next question.
Ako na yan.
Uy, kampay mo na.
Kaya
Walang inom mo.
hindi ko ininom eh. Patay na naman tayo nito eh.
Wala na pala tayong lime.
Wala nang lime.
Sige,
Wala nang lime. Oo. Nako, maglagay ka na rin ng tubig. Para uminom ka ng tubig para lasing na itong isang to eh.
Kailangan ko actually umuhi.
Kailangan mo umihi. Huwag mo na munang galawin yan. At baka bumagsak, baka yung isa na dyan ang magmeme.
Kayo na muna dyan. At ako ng line.
Malang usog ka dito.
Dala mo raw si Gaga, bebe. Ang tubig.
Dali ako sasama ako sa'yo.
Ayan, paano ba yan? 1-on-1 daw tayo.
Gagi. Yun na.
Ready? Set, go.
Ako malang usog ka dito. Ayaw mo sa amin eh.
Tanong ko na to.
Ikaw na.
Buti pala na-charge ko to yung
I think it's 10 hours, diba?
hindi ko lang na-charge yung yung tripod.
Akala ko tapos, I thought we asked this already. How did you adjust to the weather in Canada?
Ikaw mo na ba?
Oh my God, tapos na.
Diba tapos na to? Did we ask this question?
We did.
One more. Oo.
Lasing na ba tayo? We mixed na.
Sa dog. Where's the dog in, what's the dog doing in, in
Ayan.
Canada? Hmm?
Oh, okay. Ito, see, the question. So, ano ang mga benefits ng pagiging PR sa Canada?
Ayun, interesting. Ano daw?
Okay, there you go.
No, ikaw muna lang. You got your PR first before me.
Nasagot ko na yun siya kanina ng konti.
Nung sa school.
Question.
Yun na nga, di ba? Nasagot ko na.
Oo.
Sabi ko na yun kanina.
Tapos, yung sa delivery mo? Remember?
Oh,
We talk about that
well, not necessarily though. I wasn't a PR at that time.
Pero parang kinonsider ka na nilang PR eh.
No, so the thing is, like, even though you're a visitor, as long as you have a spouse or a common law partner, right?
Yeah.
Na
Legal resident.
na Canadian or PR, then you get the benefits of like a PR. Because like I was here and then buntis, nanganak.
Yung papel.
Hindi ka pa PR.
Hindi pa ako PR, visitor pa lang ako because I just got here. I came from the States. I just moved. And
Tapos yung husband mo is Canadian, kasi.
Yeah. So they gave me the but I had to go through some stuff. But you just have to research. You just gotta know what to do instead of like umiyak ka dyan.
Kasi magkano ang bayad pag dito ka mga anak?
Well, sabi nung tumawag ako sa hospital and then they said I have
HS?
to first like magbigay daw ako ng $5,000. That's just like deposit. Tapos then I have to pay another $20,000 yata.
Yeah.
Just for regular normal delivery. Tapos and if there's extra then you have to pay for that. And when I delivered, I had complications. So I stayed in the hospital for like a week. So
Yeah, we charge around $6,000
Yeah.
per day.
yeah.
Oh my goodness.
So, and then you had the
I had the
procedure.
I think I had magnesium.
You had magnesium, so you have to be in the L&D.
Yeah.
So, yeah.
24.
Preeclampsia. Yeah. So, technically, your charge, if you don't have health card, is $8,000 per day.
Yeah.
If you've been there for a week, that's $56,000.
Yeah, just for that normal whatever, but
That's without your doctor. That's the hospital.
and you have to pay right away. They're gonna make you swipe. Right? Oh, basta it's being a PR is you get a lot of benefits. A lot of benefits. You just need to know what to do. You just have to apply. I mean, dealing with a lot of like health card, dealing with IRCC, CRA. I've learned so much when it comes to even having a kid, like CCB, disability. It's like a lot of benefits that you can actually get. So one thing I've learned recently is that if you were married to Canadian, even though you're not a PR or you're not a resident, so kahit basta mag-uumpisa yung parang benefits mo,
The count.
the count when the day that you got married. So even though right, I know.
The perks of being married to a Canadian.
Yes. So if that's why I was dealing with IRCC, and he explained it to me that hindi siya na trigger yung CCB ni Torren didn't trigger because hindi nila na update sa system nila na I was married to Canadian. But
Okay.
Yeah.
So, ni-retro nila.
so they will have to
Retro.
the other few.
Pa Tim Hortons ka, uy.
Wala pa. Nag-aantay pa
Daming
na.
pera yan.
So, but they already did the rest of it, but they started it on the day that I got PR. Right? But technically, they should have retroed me the day that Torren was born, like a month after Torren was born, because that's when
Oo,
CCB
kasi
works.
citizen na si baby.
But because in hindi nila
In-update.
in-update yung marriage namin ni Peter.
So they owe you a lot of money.
Yeah.
Tim Hortons. Hindi, Starbucks. Starbucks.
Pasisig ka. Sisig.
Sisig eh? Sisig eh? Yeah, so it's if you really like talk to these right people, and especially if you talk to, I mean, I'm not saying like incompetent, there's other people that's incompetent, but I think there's other people that had more experience than, you know, the other agent. You can actually learn so much from them that you can actually share to other, you know, people that's dealing with the same exact thing. So
Oo. Siguro mga senior na yung mga employee ng IRCC. Tapos yung sa free healthcare kapag ka PR na.
You get free healthcare even if you're a work permit.
Yeah.
As long as you're a legal resident in Canada, you get free healthcare. I think the main advantage of you being a permanent resident is having lower local tuition fees. If you want to upgrade,
Oh, yeah.
the tuition
yeah.
fee, we know international students pay like times 5, times
Yes,
10 of the
yes.
regular fee, because I know a
Yes.
2-year course for an international student is around $36,000. If you're a permanent resident, what, $6,000 for 2 years? Something like that, less than 10 grand. Especially if it's a
maybe like, because
about
like if you take
yeah.
about one course is about $500-$600 for like PR for Canadian citizens.
See.
At saka yung kapag ka nag-transition ka from TR, temporary resident, to permanent resident, hindi ka na tied up sa isang employer.
True. True.
Yeah, right?
That's a big relief. Yeah.
Oo.
True.
You can switch to whichever employer, whichever company you want without restriction, kahit kanino ka mag-apply.
True.
So kapag hindi mo type yung employer mo ngayon, pwede kang lumipat sa iba kasi wala kang yung status mo is walang limitations. Kasi pagka may limitations, prone ka sa abuse.
Yeah.
Diba? And since wala ka
Exactly.
namang, true. Sasabihin ni Marilyn, mamaya.
No.
Prone ka sa abuse. And then wala ka naman, you're left with no choice kasi kailangan mo yung employer na, yung job na yun para sa mag-move forward yung PR mo.
True. That's
So,
really
though
true.
maraming program ang Canada na tumutulong sa mga abused and, you know, whatever, vulnerable sectors ng mga temporary resident holder.
It's useless.
Hindi naman useless.
No, sis, grabe ka
It's
na.
not useless. It's
Takot
just,
lang,
yeah,
takot ka
you
lang.
can.
Kasi nga,
Is-
mako-compromise yung permanent residency application mo.
Yes,
So, you'll be
exactly.
left with no choice.
Yes.
So, kung permanent resident ka, you can go wherever,
Where you
whichever
want.
company you wish.
Yes.
Diba,
You have
Carly?
freedom. Yeah. Yeah. Totoo yan, guys. So, I came here like, close work permit. And, yes, totoo yung mga sinabi nila na, it's hard if you're not PR kasi you don't have freedom. You just have to stay to the employer na nagpapunta sa'yo dito if you are close work permit. But if you have your PR, it's really relief kasi you can avail everything, like all the benefits, and you have freedom to choose employers. Yeah. And
Pag ina-abuse niya ka, you can complain without being scared of anything else.
exactly. Yeah. So, sa mga hindi pa PR, get your PR.
Yeah. Marami naman program ang Canada when it comes to vulnerable sectors. Kaya it's just too risky for your permanent residency application. Yun lang.
Kaya yun na PR dyan.
Yeah, kampay!
Madaya ka.
Ang asim. So, yeah.
Look at Rainbow. Rainbow is like, what
Konting
is going
tiis
on?
lang, makakaraos ka din, makakarating ka din sa pararoonan mo. And when you get there, it'll be good.
True.
Really good.
True.
But you still have to work hard though.
Yeah.
Aha.
Yep.
Upgrade.
PR is the beginning.
It's just the window.
No, it's a
All the
beginning. Yeah.
opportunity.
So, at the end of the tunnel, you will always see the light.
True.
Oh, sumama na dun sa ilaw, ha? Yung mga gusto sumama sa ilaw. Ay, wag mo na, baka ibang ilaw yan.
Pag sumama ka sa ilaw, ibig sabihin, deads ka na.
Okay, next question daw. Oh.
pa
Bakit
daw?
daw ano?
Ako na.
Marami pa ba?
Bakit,
Ang dami naman.
Ano naman yata to?
Oh my God.
bakit nakakalasing ang tequila?
What?
Kasi may alcohol.
Okay, next question. What's one thing that shocked you about this country? Oh my God. Sino may mga
Ay,
experience dyan?
madali
na
lang.
shock?
Lamig,
Pagdating dito.
snow.
Except the weather.
Yeah, one thing is the weather.
One thing that shocked me?
Weather lang talaga. Snow, lamig. Ano?
Transportation.
Oh,
wise.
yes. Yes.
Terrible.
You have to wait for so long now.
No. I mean, knowing how big Canada is, they should have a good mass transportation, especially in the cities. But no.
But we still love Canada.
We
Don't
still
get us
love you,
wrong.
Canada, but it will be easier for you to be able to drive. It's easier for you to go around when you have a car. Pero transportation, like a 15-kilometer, because I work like before nung nasa Toronto kami, ang work ko is 15 kilometers away from sa bahay. It takes me an hour and a half to get there. Kasi I have to ride 2 buses.
I get it.
So, yung connection and everything. Pero nung dinadrive na, andyan lang pala siya.
Yeah.
Kasi umiikot pala yung bus.
Follow-up question, bakit mo nasabi na worse ang transportation? Kasi we came from Singapore.
Yun nga. Ano ha, disclaimer din. Galing kami sa Singapore. So, sa Singapore, very accessible. Sabihin nila, kasi ang liit ng Singapore. Oo, maliit yung Singapore. Pero, lahat ng lalakaran mo, hindi ka magpapayong. Kasi hindi ka mababasa sa ulan. Tapos, pagbaba mo, it's either my bus or my tren.
Mabilis
So,
yung bus.
mabilis yung bus. Andyan yung bus, andyan yung tren. Gusto mo maglakad ka. It's I think yun yung kailangan na improve. I would say.
Yeah.
Kasi let's be realistic, not everybody drives. 'Di ba? At saka ang mahal ng insurance. Lord, ang mahal ng insurance ng kotse dito.
Why?
Kahit may beater ka, ang insurance mo $400, Lord, Diyos ko po. Mas mahal pa in 10 months yung beater mo na binili na 4,000. Bayad na ng insurance. Insurance lang 'yon. Pero eventually you're gonna need to learn how to drive. 'Di ba? Kayong dalawa?
True. Kaya dito guys, having a car is not luxury, it's necessity.
Wow. North America.
Kamay.
Si Christine, parang may sasabihin.
Additional ad-lib. Additional ad-lib.
Shocked you.
Next question na. Next question na. What shock you?
No, hindi naman siya. Like, it's not that. Like, I think I was just shocked how Canada, like, how beautiful Canada was. Like, or is,
Oh, the view.
yung,
One thing that shocked me,
Hayaan mo.
how nice people are.
yeah. Oh, yeah.
Ad-lib si Doc.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
Tsaka yung mga, di ba, mga maraming magandang mga, places, like nature. Yung pumunta kami dito, dun sa, like, lakes and stuff. Like,
Oh,
I have
yes.
never seen that, kind of, yeah, very, basta hindi mo siya makakalimutan. Di ba?
Ano yung first love? Di nakalimutan?
Hindi mo nakalimutan.
Marilyn. Teka, makapagtubig na.
Compare naman, like, because we're so used to beaches, di ba? Like, we're so used to beach,
Yeah.
nice beach,
Yeah, in
whatever.
Philippines,
But then, like, then you go to, Moraine Lake, and
Yeah.
then, saan ba
Kasi
yun?
dito more on lake. Tapos
Yeah.
yung lake nila is ang gaganda.
Yeah.
Diba, no? Glacier. Oh.
Yeah.
Para siyang picture.
Oh, yeah, like you see on the, yung screen ng TV, alam yun yung, ano ba yun? Yung
Screensaver.
Screensaver.
It's the same.
I just, yeah,
Canada.
saw that on TV, but then, like, Canada pala. Sa Canada pala yun. I don't even know.
Ikaw naman.
Ikaw, ano
What
yung
shocked
shock
you?
mo?
Ayun, yeah, the same thing with Titin.
Wala
What shock-
kape, iba naman.
No, what shocked me is the view.
Nature.
Kasi yung nature. Because in Philippines, we are, no, it's not basura. It's not basura. In Philippines, kasi it's more on beaches. Then when you come here, it's more, beaches. Yeah. Because it's a tropical country. Tas here, you can see snow. Good view. I can
What
say.
shocked me here is camping. I don't camp.
At saka kasi yung Canada is talagang pinopromote nila yung
Natures.
ano ng Canada. Talagang pinipreserve nila.
Yeah.
Oh, you know what
They
shocked
invest
me?
on that so much.
Yeah.
It's like yung city has space in between.
Oh yeah, you were telling me about that.
Right? Because I'm so used to like same city, like different cities just like next to each other. Like you don't even know that
Parang
you have.
may ano lang,
Yeah,
buhet.
you just have the sign like, oh, welcome to whatever. But here is like, oh, if you go to, I don't know, Banff, you still have to go through like a whole 9
Nice
yards of,
scenery.
yeah.
How many kilometers before you go
Yeah.
to another city?
Yeah.
Sa mga hindi pala nakikilala kay Christine, she is American.
I'm Filipino.
Yeah, she's from
California. So, na-culture shock siya sa
Here in
Canada.
Magkapit-bahay lang naman kami.
Yeah, magkapit bahay pero
But it's very
two
different.
very different countries. Yeah.
We don't really talk a whole lot about Canada, honestly. We don't
No,
even know the Canada.
nobody knows Canada. They just know that it's the Great White North. That's
Kasi
it.
ano lang tayo, small yung population natin. We're only like 45 million.
Yeah.
Right.
47.
Like,
Yeah.
Next question. You have the question.
Ay! Kumpay! Lasing na ako.
Sampay! Sampay na. The next question.
Sabi niya, bakit ba naglalasing ka mga to? Ano bang problema?
What's happening?
Sa rainbow, nakatitig.
happening daw?
Oo, chismosa ni Bubu.
Ibig sabihin type niya yung ginagawa natin kasi nandito siya. Pag hindi lalaki yan.
ayan, gusto ko marinig yung mga, ano ito?
Chismis.
She's Canadian. She's a Calgarian.
Born and raised.
Yeah.
Nang-joy na.
Si Oreo is on Edmonton. Si Peanut is Philippines.
Migrated. How do you feel?
Migrated in Canada.
And he hates the snow.
And he hates the snow.
I don't think anybody likes it.
Nobody likes snow.
Ito, ako naman yung
Yung kapatid
question.
ko, gusto makita yung snow. Sabi ko, you don't know what you're talking about.
Kauna
nako,
lang talaga. No?
Napaka-Miss Universe nito. Hindi ko yata hindi ko masasagot to. Kasi baka magkakaroon tayo ng maraming bashers.
Ha?
What?
Yeah. Why
Gano'n
did
ba
you...
kalaki yung pera mo?
Hindi naman totoo sa pera. Grabe ka. Why did you chose Canada?
Why did you choose Canada?
Why did we chose Canada?
Doc, why did you choose Canada?
I think ito yung question na hindi namin pwedeng sagutin kasi marami tayong magiging bashers.
Marilyn na lang.
Kasi marami tayong mga
Kaya
tao
nga
dyan na righteous, makitig ang utak,
Ayun na,
bilog, hindi bilog, square ang utak.
Next question.
Pero siguro ang masasagot ko lang is, dalawa kasi yung reason bakit namin pinili ang Canada. Yung number one reasons we can tell you kasi marami ang square ang utak. And then yung pangalawa, I can tell you. Kasi we can choose New Zealand, we can choose New Zealand, Australia kasi open naman sila, right? So the first question, the first answer I can tell you, but the second answer is that pinili namin ang Canada kasi malapit sa family ko. Kasi my family lives in California in the US. So malapit siya. So mas favorable sa amin pag nasa Canada kami kasi malapit lang comparable to New Zealand and Australia.
Yeah.
So yun. Tapos yung first question, I can't.
First answer.
First answer is I can't. Lasing na.
Next question.
Ikaw na lang. Why did you choose Canada? Why did you choose Canada?
Oh my God. Pressure, guys. For me, why did I choose Canada? To look for a greener pasture.
But why though? But why Canada?
Because it's a way back in the Philippines, tapos yung iba kong mga katrabaho na sa Canada na they say the healthcare is good in Canada, the free education is good in Canada. So that's fascinating. It's
Fascinated-
you know, yeah,
fascinated
it
you.
fascinated me na
Impressed
to
ka.
migrate in Canada. But oo. When I came here, oo.
Oo.
Si Doc siguro makaka-explain na.
Hindi siguro kasi marami kang kasama na nagsabi ng positive things about
Yeah.
Canada. That's why parang nainganyo ka.
Yeah.
diba? Kasi there's a lot of places to go to. I mean, few places. Open ang New Zealand, tsaka open din ang Australia. So parang sa amin din, we weigh out our option. Kaya parang, no, we can go to Australia. It's very far from the US. We have to travel how many hours? Tapos New Zealand, we have to travel a few hours.
Lalo na yun.
So, kami parang, hindi tayo pwede dyan. So, Canada is the only option we have.
Yeah.
Ganon. Ganon.
Saka no regrets naman, maganda naman ang benefits talaga ng Canada. So far.
Kasi PR na po siya, kaya maganda na ang benefits ng Canada.
Dati, I was like, oh, I wanna go back. I'm giving up with this. life
Dati
in
sinusumpa pa niya ang Canada. Pero, pag napupursige na ka naman, things and your situation can
You get
change.
rewarded for your hard work.
Canada. Yeah,
You get rewarded
exactly.
Don't forget, guys, God is good.
True.
Yeah, if you deserve it, He will give it to you. No
True.
questions.
Yung laki tiyan ko, pikit na pikit. Kailangan ko tumaya yata ng loto dun eh. Anak, ano bang nagarang yung tatayaan natin?
Uy, kampay! Kampay na. Next question. Kampay. Uy, inom mo.
Habaan nyo naman.
Uy, next question naman. Marami pa to.
Next question.
Next question na.
Tatlo pa lang to. Mabilis lang yan.
Sige, next question
Sumagot ka
na.
ng iba. Bakit mo pinili ang Canada?
Bakit ko pinili ang Canada? Bakit ko pinili ang Canada? Well, yun nga, to find a better opportunity. Kasi sa Pilipinas, very limited lang ang opportunity sa Pilipinas. So,
Pero, follow-up question. Kasi open naman ang New Zealand tsaka yung Australia. Bakit Canada?
Why you didn't?
ayun,
Bakit Canada?
one thing din na napili ko yung Canada.
English yun, ha?
Yeah. one thing din. Pressure to guys. one thing. one thing, one more,
Oh, go.
one more thing that I choose Canada is, yun nga, just like what you said, ng family.
English yun, ah.
Malapit sa family. Because family
Wala
is
kang family.
Oh, grabe naman si Doc. Relatives is in the US, so thinking na you're traveling, thinking na you were traveling alone to Canada, and malapit sa US lang, di ba nang? So,
You want to go to Disneyland?
yeah, and one of my dream talaga is to
Oo
go
nga.
in Disneyland.
Ano ang pangarap mo aside sa magkaroon ka ng Subaru?
Oh my God. Pangarap